Hi, my name is Dr. Shawn Tsuda, and I'm here to tell you about the Oquendo Center ABSITE Training Prep Course, January 11th, 2020 in Las Vegas. Now, the ABSITE, or the American Board of Surgery In-Service Training Examination, is important for a number of reasons. Every surgical resident in every program in the United States needs to take it. It prepares you for the ABS qualifying and certifying examination. In some cases, it can determine whether or not you move on to the next year of residency, and it can be a factor in getting the best fellowship that you want after graduation. Now, the Oquendo Center is a world-class education and training place where we've done many courses over the years, and it's the best place for us to do this kind of program for you to prepare for the ABSITE. Now, why are we different? Why should you take our ABSITE prep course compared to others? Well, we think there are three reasons, three philosophies that differentiate us. So, number one, in order to do well on the examination, you need to study and train for the examination. The ABSITE is made out of 225 multiple choice questions. So you need to do multiple choice questions, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to do it with an interactive environment, with audience response system, and teachers who will give you the strategies to choose the right answer. We'll give you visual cues that you can recreate in your mind or with a pencil and paper in order to remember the high yield topics. Number two, our instructors. Our instructors have all scored at the 95th percentile or above on the ABSITE examination, in some cases the 98th or the 99th percentile. They know how to study for and take this exam. All of them have GME experience in faculty development and test-taking strategy. They're engaging, they know how to use PowerPoint, and they'll give you the information you need to retain. They'll keep you interested, they're not boring, you're gonna love our instructors. Number three, content. Content's important because we want to make sure that you spend the exact amount of time that you need in our 8-hour course for the topics that are going to be on the exam. If 25% of the ABSITE is basic science, we're going to spend 25% of the time in the course on basic science. We're going to spend no unnecessary time on low yield topics. We'll spend the exact amount of time you need on all of the high yield topics. So for all of these reasons, we think you should consider taking our ABSITE prep course at the Oquendo Center in Las Vegas, January 11th, 2020. Thank you and good luck.